friends. Hope you all are doing good today. Today the recipe that I have come up with is a beetroot vada. This is very healthy again because normally a few kids will not like to eat beetroot as a vegetable. You can give them as a snack. They will love to eat it, and there are very few basic ingredients, and again, it's very simple to prepare. The first thing that you need to do is you need to rinse the chana dal overnight, or you can at least minimum of 2 to 3 hours. You have to rinse it and you have to keep it aside. And then you need beetroot. You can grate at least three beetroots and you can keep this. And one maybe a medium sized onion, one medium sized onion. And because normally beetroot tends to be sweet, so if you add more onion it will make it much more sweeter. We'll take one medium sized onion. And friends, you need a little bit of the masalas that will go inside this vada. Again, we use a few masalas just to decrease the gastric element of the chana dal, because it's very gastric. So that's the reason what we do is we use garlic. I have taken around 10 to 12 pods of garlic, and one big spoon of jeera or the cumin, and 2 small inches of the cinnamon, around half a spoon of the saunf, and around 5 chilies, red chilies. Because again, because this is again for kids, so that's the reason I don't want to use green chili, because they might not like it. So that's the reason I am using red chili. So what you need to do is, first you need to grind this, and along with it you have to grind all these masalas. You can mix it in the same dough. When you're preparing, when you're grinding this, you need to put all these things together in this while grinding, and you need to grind it not to a fine paste, little coarsely you need to grind this, and keep it aside. We'll get into the cooking, and we need to first grind this. So I'll go ahead and grind this with all these masalas, and later we can add all these ingredients to the chana dal. Friends, see, I have grinded this with all the masalas. This is again the plain. Can you see the plain the first time that I grinded? And the second time I grinded it a bit coarsely with the all the masalas that I had shown you. So what we'll do is, now we'll add in all the other ingredients. We'll add the onion, add the beetroot, and trust me friends, this tastes really well. And especially again the kids who really don't like to eat beetroot, again this is a better option for them. And now I'll add the coriander as well. So what I did is, what you can do, again it's a tip again, normally we add the salt later. So but what I do is, I will add the salt while grinding itself, because it will mix evenly. So you can do the same while grinding itself. The second time when you put this with all the masalas, you can put salt as well. So that would be really nice. It will mix evenly. And now what we'll do is, we'll mix all the ingredients together. Let's mix all of it together. Normally don't use a spoon to mix any of the ingredients. It's better that you use your hand, then only you'll be able to mix all the ingredients nicely. So we'll mix it all together. So friends, this is how the dough is going to look once you mix it. So you can go ahead and what you do, you medium sized vadas, and fry it. So this is how the dough looks once you mix all the ingredients together. So friends, see, now I have made medium sized vadas. So I have made this in this big rounds, and I have kept it. And this is how it should be. It should not be very thick, it should not be very thin. So this is the thickness that I have prepared. And now the oil is hot, and I am going to put it. The oil should not be very hot, it should be medium hot. So we need to fry it until it's golden brown on more, kind of medium flame on both the sides for at least 5 minutes. So friends, the vadas are frying, so we'll just turn it around and cook on the other side as well. These vadas really taste very nice actually. A person who doesn't like beetroot, he can prepare this kind of vadas, or any you can actually, if vegetables you don't like, you can mix it with some other ingredients, or prepare it like a snack and have. It really tastes well. So we'll cook it for another 5 minutes, fry it for another 5 minutes, and your vada will be ready. So friends, our hot vadas are ready. So we can serve it with any chutney that you like, or you can have it plain, or with sauce. So this vada tastes really well, and please do try this recipe. And if you like the recipe, please do subscribe my channel, Hema Havi Lifestyle Vlogs, and do press the bell icon, and do refer to your friends these recipes. These are very simple and good for health as well. So please try this recipe, and thank you again for watching.